Blue ladder, it's against the wall. Only thing I would be careful with is like when you hold on to the railing that you don't pull one of those. Please, yes. I was like, please be unlocked. Ricky, you owe us one.
What?
You owe us.
This is all because I had to poop.
But wait, if I say, who is it? Come here, come here.
What are you gonna do right now?
Warm up 8.
8 minutes?
Yep. Hey! No! You're in.
Alrighty, I'm gonna fill it up real quick.
That one's really hard right now to nail. You hit the triple and then hit the quad.
I agree, but what's really hard for me is single Mateo before the quad before the finish.
Yeah.
Out of that rut. You know what's funny? I messed it up the first lap and I did a 58.6. Didn't even do the quad. I don't know how I did it. And then towards the end I was doing like a 58.9.
Are you gonna do a couple 20s or what's the plan?
Yeah.
Okay. You fine if we put that other tire in the front?
Sure.
Okay. Brian, he's gonna do a couple 20s, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the first one on.
Okay. You don't pay attention to detail, do you? This might be my favorite kits.
It's dope.
That looks better.
You know what I wouldn't mind trying again at one point is, like, you know, the faster rebound fork?
Yep.
With the stiff shock.
Okay. We just got done with the 20. He's gonna do another 20. All right.
You need more of a dramatic walk.
I'm gonna blitz these whoops so fast. Hey, I'm gonna go like 3 on, off.
That was close.
Dude, I overjumped that triple. Dude, the bike's too nimble.
Like it's short again, huh? All right. Well, we'll just go back to right where we ended. Get those other forks.